How to get an insanely high snap streak on your Snapchat account. As you can see, my Snapchat account has currently 651 Snapscore, so remember that for the end of the video. So essentially what you want to do is make a bunch of fake accounts and spam your fake accounts, or you can also spam your friends. It doesn't really matter. If you don't want to know your friends, then go ahead and make your fake accounts by simply clicking on the gear icon, click log out, and click on sign up, continue, deny, enter in a random first name, random last name, birthday, it could be a random birthday. Change your username, make sure that your username is something that you could possibly remember, and click on continue. Set up a random fake password. Email, can enter in a random email just like that, and you can skip the phone number part. Click on continue, and then search in your main Snapchat username. Click on add, and once you have added yourself, simply go back, click on the settings, scroll down, log out. So from here, if you click on the top right corner, you can see that I've actually added myself, so you want to click on the accept button. So from here, you want to go over to your camera icon, and then simply at the right hand side, you can see there's a plus icon. You want to click on that. Now at the very bottom, you want to click on multi-snap. Now this is super important. Once that is turned on, you want to basically spam 8 photos just at once, because that is the maximum amount of photos they can send in one singular take. Okay, now click on next, and then send this to your fake accounts, as many of your friends as you can. It doesn't matter if they don't care about getting a little bit of spam, but it doesn't really matter. Simply click on the send option just like that. Now you're going to send basically 8 Snapchats to all of those accounts, as you can see. Now what you can do is simply just spam this, and keep in mind, the more people you send this to, then the more that's going to exponentially grow. So we've literally spammed for about 30 seconds. Remember how it was actually 651. What we're going to do is log out, refresh it, go back into our Snapchat account just like that. And as you can see, it literally doubled from 600 to 1,200 in 30 seconds. So if in 1 minute you can get 1,200 and you spam for an entire hour, then in 1 hour you can get a 72,000 snap streak.